this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I am here to talk to you about Venus in Capricorn. And when Venus is in Capricorn, we like to say that Venus is kind of in its vacation home. And people with this placement really enjoy organizing events. They can be very structured and organized artists. They just really like to be organized. They enjoy designing things, and they really need work to find comfort for themselves. And men with this placement are usually attracted to older women that provide them very structured and give them a sense of security in life. And they're usually very conservative, they're romantic and loving, and they're usually very loyal. They usually have to be in a committed relationship, and they don't normally like surprises. And that's my interpretation of Venus in Capricorn.